18 multiplied by 34 divided by 0.25. 0.25 means written 1 by 4. It will become into 4. 34 into 4. 34 4 the how much? 136 multiplied by how much? 1800. Okay, 18 into 100, 1800. 18 into 30, 540. 18 6 108. End with 48. Which option? Third one. Next question number 67. Bases are same, then powers are adding, then answer 18 power 35. Next question number 68. First two digits are subtracting, third one is adding. First 46 minus 6, 40 plus 60, 100. 0.40 plus 0.60, how much? 1. That 1 is added to 23. 23 plus 1, 24, minus 8, 16, plus 11, 27. End with 27. Only 1. Next question number 69. 64% of 800 means percentage 2 zeros are cancelled. That is 8 cube or 8. 64 means 8 square into 8, nothing but 8 cube. What is the 8 cube value? 512. What is the difference between 680 and 512? 168. Next question number 78. First, that added the last two digits of every value. 38 plus 71. 9. 109 minus 99. End with 10. How many options? Only 1. Next 71. 75% means it is 3 by 4. First 3 how many times? 205 into 4. What the answer? 820. Next question number 72. Left hand side 18876 divided by square root of something, that is equal to 39 into 11. First of all, 11 how many times? 11 ones. What is the remaining? 78 means 7 times. Again 1 time. Again 6 times. Okay. 39 3s are how much? 39 3s are 39 4s are 39 4 times. 136. What is the remaining? 39 double how much? 78. 78 double 156. Out of 171, 156 is completed. What is the remaining? 1500. 156. Again how many times? 4 times. Then answer 44 equal to square root of something. Then something equal to 44 square. What is the 44 square? 1936. Next 73. Added the last two digits of every value. 41 plus 21, 62 plus 3, 65. End with 65. All are in end with 65. Next 16 plus 21, 37 plus 41, 78. Then which option? Second option. 86.5. What is the double of 86.5? 173 by 2 into something, it is equal to 2076. And 173 one time how much? 173. What is the remaining? 346. How many times? 2 times. 2 into 12, 24. 75. 13 plus 56, 69. 7 plus 6, 13. 1369. Which one square? 37 square. Next 76. 9.6 divided by 2.4. Numerator decimal and denominator decimal same. 24 almost 4 times. 4 into 3.1. 12.4. Out of 12.4 we are subtracting 2.4. What is the remaining? 10. 77. 1672 divided by which one? 38. End with 4 or how many options? Only one or? Or 1672 it is 11 multiple? Denominator 11 multiple? No. Definitely answer should be 11 multiple. Question number 78. Something divided by 42 into 18 equal to 306. 18 ones are how much? 18. What is the remaining? 126. How many times? 7 times. Next 17 into which one? 42. End with 4. 17 into 42 means 1740s 680 or more than 680. Which option? Third option. Next question number 79. 17.6 into 8.2 into 7.5. 7.5 means we return 15 by 2 or 15 by 2. 2 how many times? 8.2. 4.1. 17.6 into 4.1 into 15 or 15 for the how much? 60. 15 into 0.1. 1.5 or total it is 61.5. Okay. 176 it is 11 multiple. Okay. First option is 11 multiple. No. Second option. Yes or no? Yes. Third option. No. Fourth option. No. Fifth option. No. Then answer second option. Question number 80. 8945. Minus 16 minus 12 minus 28. 45 minus 28. 17. End with 17. Only one. Question number 41. ABC entered into a partnership. A invested twice as much as B and C invested 2/3 as much as B earned. And if at the end of the year a profit of 5995 is earned, what is the B share earned? And here C invested 2/3 of which one? B. Suppose B we are consider 3 parts, then C will be 2 parts earned. Next up, A will be twice of which one? B. Then A will be double of B earned, means 6 parts earned. Total how many parts? 11 parts. In place of 11 parts, how much value are given? 5995. We required how many parts? 3 parts earned. 11 almost 5 times. Again 4 times. Again 5 times earned. It is 1635. Next question number 42. 9 hours 2 times as old as love 4 years ago. If love percentage is 12 years, what is the 9 percentage? First of all, love percentage is how much? 12 years. 4 years ago love 8 years. At that time 9 hours 2 times older, means 9 hours how much? 60. That is how many years back? 4 years back. But we required present. 16 plus 4 20. 4 years ago 9 and love are in which ratio? 2:1. At present love is how many years? 12. Present 12 means 4 years back 16. Sorry, present 12 means 4 years back 8. 1 part are 8 means 2 parts are 16. 4 years back 16 means present value 20. Question number 43. What is the A annual income if A monthly income is 25% more than the B monthly income and B monthly income is 30,000 per month? What is the B per month value? 30,000. Compared to this one, A how much percent or more? 25% more. 25% more means 125% or 5 by 4. 5 by 4th of 30,000, it is which one monthly income? A's monthly income. But we required A annual income or monthly income? Annual income multiplied by 12. 4 almost 3 times. 3 into 5 into 3. What is the answer? 45 means 4,50,000. Question number 44. A alone can complete a piece of work in 8 days and B alone can complete the same work in 10 days, but we required A and B together. Together means we return product by sum. But the first one 8, second one 10. Product means 8 into 10. Sum means 8 plus 10. Okay. 80 by 18 means it is 40 by 9. 40 by 9 means 4 by 9 days. Question number 45. 2/5 of a number is 5 more than its 1/5. And what is the number? Any number is always how much percent? 100%. In the 2/5 means 40%. 1/5 means 20%. What is the difference? 20%. What is the 20% value? 5. But we required 100%. What is the answer? 25. Any number is always how much? 100%. 2/5 means 40%. 1/5 means 20%. Difference in percentage 20%. That is equal to 5, but we required 100%. Next question number 46. A man covers 24 kilometers at a speed of 2 km per hour and the remaining 32 kilometers at 4 km per hour. What is the average speed for the whole journey? Average speed means total distance by total time. What is the total distance here? First time 24, second time 32. What is the total distance? 56. Total time means first case time and second case time. What is the first case speed? 24. Sorry, first case distance 24. What is the first case speed? 2. Means first case time 12 hours. Second time distance 32. What is the second time speed? 4. Time is 8 hours. First case time are 12 hours. Second case time are 8 hours. What is the total time? 20 hours. What is the numerator? Total distance. Denominator? Total time. Total distance by total time. We are get the average speed. Then answer 2.8. Next 47. 300 chocolates were distributed equally among all the students of a class. If 10 more students are joined the class, each student got 1 chocolate less. What was the total number of students initially? Initially, how many chocolates are distributed? 300. The 300 chocolates are distributed for X persons. 300 chocolates is distributed X persons. Every person is how much value are received? 300 by X. 300 chocolates X members. Then every person 300 by X. Second time how many students are extra? 10 more. Means second time the same 300 chocolates is distributed for X plus 10 members or only X. X plus 10 members are. Total chocolates 300. Total members are X plus 10. Total chocolates by total members. We are get the each one received chocolates are. And what is the condition are given? Each student are got 1 chocolate less. Means compared to original, present how many chocolates are less? 1 lakh. Means these two difference equal to how much? 1 chocolate. Okay. 30 means it is 5,6 multiple. Yes or no? What is the question here? What was the number of students initially? What is the first option? 65. If you have taken X value 65, then X plus 10, 75. But 300 is exactly divisible by 65? No. What is the second option? 60. 300 by 60, how much? 5. But 300 by 70, that is exactly divisible by 300? No. Next. What is the third option? 50. If X value written 50, 300 divided by 50, we are getting how much? 6. Next, 50 plus 10, 60. 300 by 60, 5. What is the difference between 6 and 5? 1 or? What is the answer? 50. Or 300 equal to first case X, second one X plus 10 members or not? What is the difference of the members? 10 members into difference of the chocolates? 1 or? 300 into 10, that is equal to x into x plus 10 or not? X equal to how much? 50 or not? Product of the speeds by difference of the speeds into time difference or not? Next question number 48. The number of males is 80% of the number of females in the village X. Means males is 80% of females. 80% means what is the fraction? 4 by 5. Means males is 4/5 of which one? Female value or not? Males are how many parts? 4 parts. Females are 5 parts or not? And population of the village X is how much? 12,906. Total how many parts? 9 parts. That is equal to 12,906. But we required which one? Only females or not? How many parts we need? 5 parts or not? 9 almost. 9, 14 the how much? 126. What is the remaining? 30. 30 means 3 times, 4 times or not? 5 into 1434. It is 7,170 or not? Question number 49. A sum of 1431 was divided among ABC so that the respective ratio between the amount received by A and the amount received by B is 5:4, and the ratio between the amount received by B and C is 8:9. And here B how many parts in second case? 8 parts. C 9 parts. But A and B ratio are given how much? 5:4. In place of 4, B value how much value are taken? 8. Means B will be double or triple? Double. B is double means A also double or not? A how many parts here? 5 parts. 5 double means 10 or not? A represents 10, B represents 8 and C represents 9 parts. What is the sum of the parts? 27 parts or not? 27 parts. What is the 27 parts value? 1431. But we required which one? B share or not? How many parts we need? 8 parts. 27 5s are how much? 135. What is the remaining? 81 or not? 81 means 3 times or not? What is the answer? 424. Question number 50. ABC started a business by investing 8,400 and 10,800 and 15,600 respectively. All of them invested for equal amount of time. If the annual profit earned by them is 43,500, and here time is constant or not? When time is constant, investment ratio is same as profits ratio. In all the cases, 2 zeros are common or not? What is the difference between 84 and 108? 24. 24 means half of the 24. 12. 84 12 multiple, 108 or 12 multiple, 156 also 12 multiple. 12 how many times? First one 7, second one 9, third one 13 times or not? What is the ratio? 7:9:13. All are divided by 12 or not? Total profit is how many parts? 29 parts. In place of 29 parts, 43,500 is given. But we required 9 parts or not? Okay. 29 how many times? 1 time, again 5 times or not? 9 into 15, 135 or not? An answer 13,500. 29 ones are how much? 29. Remaining 14. 145 means 5 times or not? Question number 51. The average of 4 consecutive odd numbers is how much? 36. What is the smallest number or not? 4 consecutive odd numbers. Average is how much? 36. That 36 is the in-between value of second number and third number or not? Means second number is how much? 35. Third number 37. What is the question here? Smallest number. Then answer 33. Next question number 52. If the simple interest at 5% per annum for 2 years is 650, what is the compound interest compounded annually on the same sum for the same period at 10% per annum? 5% for 2 years. What is the simple interest? 10%. What is the 10% value are given? 650. 10% is given how much? 650. What is the question here? Compound interest 10% for same period and same summer. 10% for 2 years. What is the compound interest? 21%. We know the 10%, but we required 21%. 0 cancel. 21 into 65. It is 1365. Which option? Third option. The area of a triangle is given how much? 672 square meters. The diameter of a circle is equal to the height of the triangle, and base of the triangle is 32 meters. What is the circumference of a circle? What is the circumference of a circle formula? 2 pi r. Then first we are verify the 11 multiple. First option 11 multiple. No. Second option yes. Third one no. Fourth one no. Fifth one no. Then answer second one. R. What is the area of a triangle formula? Half into base into height. But here diameter of a circle is equal to the which one? Height value. And here base is given how much? 32 into, in place of height we return 2r. That is equal to how much? 672. 2 get cancelled. 32 almost. 32 2 the how much? 64. What is the remaining? Again one timer. Radius is how much? 21. But we required circumference. What is the circumference formula? 44 by 7 into r. What is the r value? 21. 7 how many times? 3 times. What is the answer? 132. 54. If a trader sells an article for 392 after offering a discount of 20% on the label price, what is the label price of the article? Label price means it is considered market price. Market price is always how much percent? 100%. Out of 100%, how much percent are discount? 20%. In place of 20% discount means what is the selling price? 80%. But in place of 80%, how many rupees are given? 392. 80% 392. What is the 100% value? And 25 times 24 times 4 almost 9 800. 5 into 98. 490. R decreased value 20% means increased value 25%. Next question number 55. The side of a square whose diagonal is given how much? 18 root 2 is equal to the length of a rectangle. Side of a square is equal to the which one? Length of a rectangle. But here diagonal of a square is given how much? 18 root 2. 18 root 2, it is the diagonal of a square. Means 18 root 2, it is equal to root 2 into a. What is the diagonal of a square? Root 2 into a. Both sides root 2 are cancelled. A equal to how much? 18. That is equal to length of the rectangular. And what is the next point? Difference between the length and breadth are given 5. Length 18 means breadth will be 13. Because we are take the length is always more than the breadth. Length value 18 means breadth value 13. What is the question here? Area of the rectangle. We required L into B. Then answer 18 into 13. End with 4. 2 options are only one. 2 options. 18 into 13 more than 180 but nearby 180. Which option? First one. Next question number 56. 5 stores are given, watches are given, 5 stores, 5 months are given. What is the first question? What is the respective ratio in the total number of watches sold by store A in March, April and May together? A in March, how much? 184. April, 159. May, 233. First we are adding the hundreds positions. 100 plus 100, 200 plus 200, 400. 80 plus 50, 130 plus 30, 160. Total it is 560. 4 plus 9, 13 plus 3, 16. Total it is 5, 70, 6. Next, second one, total number of watches sold by B in the same months or different months? Same months. 220, 252, 200, 680, 400, 684. One is 576, another one 684. What is the difference between these two values? 108. 108 means it is 12 multiple and also 9 multiple. 12 how many times? 4. Remaining 8 times. 12 how many times? 5 times, 7 times. Both are in 3 multiples. 3 how many times? 16. 3 how many times? 19. Or else directly 576 it is which one? 24 square. Both are cancelled by 24. What is the answer? 16 is to 19. 57. What is the average number of watches sold by D during all the given months together? All the months values of D are just we are taken all are nearby 200 values. Okay, just assume we are average or assume 200. Compared to 200, 167 how much value or less? 33 lesser. Second one, 18 more. Next, plus 34. Next, plus 45. Minus 44. Minus 44. Plus 45 minus 44. Plus 1. Plus 1 plus 34. 35. But here minus 33. Plus 200. Plus 2 plus 18. Plus 20 means we are get the additional value 20. The 20 is distributed for 5 observations or only one? 5. 20 by 5. We are get the how much value or additional? 4 or extra. Already average 200. 4 extra means what is the answer? 204. If you are adding by 5, we are get the same answer or take the nearest values. Next question number 58. The number of watches sold by store C in April is approximately what percentage of the number of watches sold by the same store in March? C in April. What is the C value in April? 242. And same in March, 196. Is what percent? 242 is what percent of which one? 196. What is the difference value? 46. 46 means what is the 10% of 196? 19.6. 20%. 38.39.200 means it should be more than 20%. Already denominator 100%, 20% more means it should be more than 120 or less than 120? More than 120. More than 120 means first maybe chances. What is the 20% we are getting? 39.2. 39.2. Which one is the closer value? 120 closer value. 124. What is the 4% value? 1% is how much? 1.96. 4% means 4 times of 1.96. It is 7.84. 7.84. 39 plus 7 means it is almost how much? 46 something. Then it is closer to which one? 124 or 24? 124. Numerator is more than the denominator means percentage must be more than 100% or less than 100%? More than 100. Next question number 59. What is the difference between the total number of watches sold by all the given stores together in June and number of watches sold by all the given stores together in July? Means we require June and July total difference. First we need to identify the individual differences in every store. 189 and 116. What is the difference? 73 or not? Next, 211 and 152 difference. 48 plus 11, 59. 185 and 144 difference. 41. 245 and 156 difference. 89. 204 and 139 difference. 65 or not? 65. All these are adding, we are get the overall difference or not? 59 plus 41, 100. 100 plus 89, 189 plus 65. 254 or not? 254 plus 73. 327. Next 60. Question number 60. Number of watches sold by store C in May is what percent more than the number of watches sold by store E in the same month? C in May value 264. E also in May value or not? How much value are extra? 84. Upon which one? 180 multiplied by 100 or not? 25 times 20. 9 times or not? Denominator 9. All the options are denominator 3. 3 how many times? 284. 28 times. 3 how many times? 9. 3 times or not? 28 5 how much? 140 by 3. 140 by 3. It is 46. 2 by 3 or not? Wrong number series sir maatladtaru. Next, please open the PO paper. Next, question number 46. PO paper, question number 46. A project manager hired 36 men to complete a project in how many days? 72 days. However, after 63 days, he realized that only 6 by 7th of the work is completed. How many more men does he need to hire to complete the project on time or not? Okay. What is the actual time? 72 days. 36 men can complete the whole work in how many days? 72 days. But 36 men, how many days are working? 63 days work. How much work are completed? 6 parts are not. Means 36 men, 63 days work is how many parts? 6 parts are not. Out of 7 parts are not. What is the remaining number of days? Out of 72, only 63 days are working or not? What is the remaining time? 9 days or not? That 9 days, what is the condition here? How many more men does he needed hired to complete the project or not? Already 36 men, we are adding some more men or not? Means 36 plus M or not? 36 plus M. That 36 plus M persons working on it for how many days? 9 days or not? What is the condition here? Work gets completed on time. Already 63 days is completed. What is the remaining time? 9 days. Means remaining work must be completed in remaining time or not? Out of 7 parts, already 6 parts are completed. What is the remaining work? 1 part. Means 36 plus some persons working on it for 9 days. They are completed how many parts? 1 part or not? Numerator 36 persons, 63 days work. Denominator 36 plus M persons, 9 days work or not? Both are in equal or different? Equal. 9 how many times? 7. 6 how many times? 6 times. 6 7 the 42. That is equal to 36 plus M or not? M equal to how much? 6. How many additional men are there? 6 or not? Next question number 47. A wholesaler mixes 2 types of rice. One is costing 30 rupees per kilo, another one costing 24 rupees per kilo. The quantities they were mixed in the ratio of which one? 4:11. If he sold the new mixed variety at 20 rupees per kilo to a retailer, how much did the wholesaler lose in the whole deal or not? Nothing but he getting a loss or gain? Loss. First time, how many parts of quantity? 4 parts. Second time, 11 parts. Or first time 4 kgs, second time 11 kgs. Or the first one per kg value? 30. 4 kgs value? 120 or not? Next, second one quantity? 11 kgs. Or the per kg value? 24. 11 into 24. 264 or not? 120 is the cost of how many cages? 4 Ks. 264 is the cost of 11 Ks. Both are adding. What is the total cost? 380 400. That is equal to cost price or selling price? Cost price. Cost price of how many cages? 15 cages. That 15 cages are sold. Every cage is how many rupees? 20 rupees. Then 15 cages. Every cage is how many rupees? 20 rupees. What is the total selling price? 300. That is selling price or cost price? Selling price. What is the cost price of 15 cases? 384. Selling price are 300. What is the profit value? 84. Upon which one? 384 multiplied by 100. We are get the profit percent or loss percent? Loss percent. And 12 how many times? Numerator 7 times. Denominator 3. Again 2 times. 7 by 32. 7 by 32 means denominator must be either 4 are possible or not? 4 or 8 possible. How many options are denominator? 8. 3 options are not. And here 32 3 is how much? 96 are not. Means it is more than 3 times but nearby 3 times are not. 7 3 is how much? 21. It is closer to 21 times but more than 21 times or not? Which option? Third option or not? Next question number 48. In 160 liters of mixture of milk and water, the percentage of water is only 30%. The milkman gave 40 liters of this mixture to a customer and then added some liters of water to the remaining mixture. As a result, the percentage of water in the final mixture became how much? 44%. What was the quantity of water added by the milkman? Initially, how many liters of mixture? 160. In that, how many liters are taken? 40. What is the remaining? 120. In 160 liters, water is 30%, means in 120 liters also water is 30% or not? Yes or no? And we are adding some quantity of water or not? We are adding some quantity of water. Suppose we are adding x liters of water. In that x liters of water, only water or only milk? Only water. Only water means how much percent? 0% or not? Out of 120, what is the water percentage? 30. Out of x, what is the water percentage? 0. These two are mixing, we are get the new mixture or not? In that new mixture, what is the water percentage? 44% or not? Simplify these three, we are get the ratio or not? And what is the difference between 30 and 44? 14. 44 and 0 difference. 44 or not? What is the ratio? Percentage of water in the final mixture became, x liters only water or only milk? Only water. Only water means water is how much percent? 100% or not? In mixture, what is the milk water percentage? 44. X liters water or not? In x liters of water, water is how much percent? 100%. What is the difference between 100 and 44? 56. What is the difference between 44 and 30? 14 or not? What is the ratio? 4:1 or not? What is the 4 parts value? 120. Then 1 part value? 30 or not? Then how many liters of water is added? 30 liters or not? Two stations M and N are 945 kilometers apart from each other. One train starts from station M at 4 p.m. and travels towards station N at 71 km per hour. Another train starts from station N at 5:35 p.m. and travels towards the station M at 58 km per hour. How far from station N will the two trains meet each other? Okay. Required second train distance or first train distance? How far from station N will the two trains meet? Means from N side, what is the distance they will meet? What is the second train speed? 58. Distance means we return speed into time or not. What is the speed value? 58. Then 58 into time, that is equal to which one? Distance value. Then answer must be multiple of 58. Or what is the half of the 58? 29. Then answer must be multiple of 29. First option is 29 multiple. Yes. Second option? No. Third option? Second option also 29 multiple. Yes. 29 ones are 29. Remaining 145. It is 29 multiple. More than one option or less than one option? More than one option. Or what the two stations distance are given? 9:45. What is the starting time of first one? 4 p.m. Second one starting 5:30. In between 4 p.m. to 5:30 only first train are travelled or second train? First train. Means from 4 p.m. to 5:30 first train already how many hours are travelled? 1.5 hour. Per hour how much distance are travelled? 71. In 1.5 hour how much distance are already travelled by first train? Per hour 71. Half an hour 35.5. What is the actual distance? 9:45. In that first hour 71. Second hour 35. Second half an hour 35.5. Total how much distance are covered? 106.5. It is already covered by first train or second train? First train. What is the remaining distance? 837 or 38? 38.5 kilometers. That 838.5 kilometers distance is covered by both the trains after 5:30 or before 5:30? After 5:30. On which direction? Opposite direction. In opposite direction, what is the relative speed? One is 58, another one 71. One is 58, another one 71. What is the sum of these speeds? 129 kilometer per hour. What is the numerator? Distance. Denominator? Speed. Distance by speed means we are get the timer. Almost 6.5 hours. More than 6 times. 13 6 how much? 78. More than 6 times. 13 7 how much? 91. Less than 7 times. Means it is 6.5 times. What is the distance value? 838.5 kilometers. Both are moving in opposite direction means what is the relative speed? Sum of the speeds. What is the sum of the speeds? 129. How much time are taken? 6.5 hours. 6.5 hours. And what is the question here? How far from station N will the two trains are made? Both are made at after how many hours? 6.5 hours. But here question is distance covered by second one or first one? Second one. What is the second train speed? 58. Time are taken how many hours? 6.5 hours. 6.5 means we return 13 by 2. 2 almost how many times? 29. 29 into 13. End with 7. It is 377 kilometers. After 6.5 hours they will meet means second train is travelled how many hours? 6.5 hours into speed. Next question number 50. A borrowed certain sum money lender at a rate of 8% simple interest per annum. A then lent it to be at 11% simple interest per annum. At the end of the 4 years, A made a profit of 960. How much did A borrow from the money lender? And here 960 is the profit for how many years? 4 years. What is the 1 year profit? 240. 960 is the profit of after how many years? 4 years. What is the 1 year profit? 240. But he taken how much percent he paid? 8%. But he received how much percent are interest? 11%. Means per annum how much percent are extra getting? 3%. That is per annum profit. Per annum interest is how many rupees are extra getting? 240. But percentage wise 3%. 3% equal to 240. But required borrowed sum means how much percent we need? 100%. What is the answer? 8,000. Next question number 51. Neha present age is 1/3 of which one? Aunt present age. Neha brother is 18 years older to which one? Neha. The respective ratio to the present age of Neha brother and Neha aunt is 17:24. Neha brother is how many parts? 17 parts. Neha aunt 24 parts are not. Neha present age is 1/3 of which one? Aunt present age. Means Neha will be 1/3 of which one? 24 parts are not. Means how many parts? 8 parts are not. That is the ratio between brother, aunt and Neha. And Neha brother is 18 years older to which one? Neha. Neha brother how many parts? 17. Neha will be 8. Difference is 9 parts. That 9 parts equal to 18 years. What is the 1 part value? 2 years. But we required which one? Neha. How many parts we need? 8 parts. What is the answer? 16. Next question number 52. A rectangular plot 33 meters long and 29 meters broad has two concrete crossroads running in the middle of the plot. One is parallel to the which one? Length, another one is parallel to the breadth, and the rest of the plot used as a lawn. And if the width of the each of the crossroads is how much? 6 meters, and what is the area of the lawn? Okay, and here we required which one area? Lawn area. Okay, including lawn. What is the length value? 33 meters. Okay, what is the breadth value? 29 meters. And what is the width of the crossroads? 6 meters. It is width of the crossroads. Width of the crossroads. Then we required which one area? Only lawn area. Only lawn area. Only lawn area means length side we are subtracting how many meters? 6 meters. Breadth side we are subtracting how many meters? 6 meters. Here width 6 meters. Here also width are 6 meters. Okay. What is the length of the lawn? 33 minus 6 or plus 6? Minus 6. 33 minus 6. How much? 27. What is the breadth of the lawn? 29 minus 6. How much? 2300. Then we required area. What is the area value? Length into breadth. 27 into 2300. End with 1. Which option? First option 621. Next question number 53. ABC started a business in which A contributes 2/9 of the total investment in the business. C contributes as much as A and B together. The total profit at the end of the year was 6,300. What was the B share profit earned? And here total how many persons? 3 persons earned. A received how much? 2 parts. But 3 persons together is how many parts? 9 parts earned. 3 persons together means A plus B plus C is how many parts? 9 parts. And one more condition are given. C contributes as much as A and B together earned. Means C will be half of the total value earned. Or C contributes, C equal to A plus B means A plus B half value, C also half value earned. What is the total value here? 9. What is the half of the 9? 4.5. Means C will be 4.5 earned. C will be 4.5. A plus B also 4.5. Already A value 2. Then B value 2.5 earned. C value equal to A plus B means A plus B value are half. C value also half value. What is the half of the 9 parts? 4.5. Then C will be 4.5. Then A plus B also 4.5. Already A 2 means B will be 2.5. And Total profit at the end of the year was how much? 6,300. Means 9 parts is how much? 6,300. We required which one share? B share. How many parts we need? 2.500. Then answer 1750. 9 almost 7 times 100. 2.5 into 7, 17.5 into 100 means 1750. Next question number 54. A bag contains 4 red balls, 7 green balls and 7 blue balls. If 3 balls are picked at random, what is the probability that one of them is red and 2 of them are blue in color? And total how many balls are picked? 3 balls. Total how many balls are there? 18. Out of 18, 3 balls are picked means we written 18 C300. In the 3 balls, one must be red. How many red balls are there? 4. Then we written 4C1. And remaining 2 are which one? Blue color. How many blue color? 7. Then we written 7C2. End means multiplier node. 4C1 means 4. 7C2 means 21. 18C3 means 18 into 17 into 16 by 1 into 2 into 3. Nothing but 600. 4 how many times 16? 4 times. 6 almost 3 times. 3 almost 7. What is the answer? 7 by 68. Next question number 55. NASA gave 25% of her money to her mother. NASA mother spends 2/5 of amount she received from NASA on furnishing. From the remaining amount, NASA mother keeps 3/4 of the amount aside for her annual health checkup. NASA mother is now left with how many rupees? 750. How much money did NASA have initially? Suppose initially NASA value were considered X rupees. Initially X rupees. In that how much percent are gave to her mother? 25%. Means mother value is 25% of X. Next, NASA mother spends 2/5 of the amount she received from NASA. What is the 2/5 of the 25? What is the 2/5 of 25? 10%. The 10% on furnishing. What is the remaining balance? Mother received how much? 25%. In the 10% furnishing, what is the remaining? 15%. Mother has left after furnishing is how much? 15% of X. Okay. What is the next one? From the remaining amount, NASA mother keeps 3/4 of the amount aside for her annual health checkup. Means out of the remaining value, 3/4 are annual health checkup. Means out of the 15% of X, 3/4 value are annual health checkup. What is the remaining? 1/4. That is the left value. 1/4 of which one? 15% of X. That is equal to how many rupees? 750. Simplify this one, we are get the X value. 15 almost 5 times, nothing but 50. 54 the 200. Percentage means denominator 100. Then answer X equal to 20,000. Next question number 56. 2x square plus 15x plus 27 equal to 0. Coefficient of x square and coefficient of y square are same or different? Same. What is the first one product? 54. Sum will be 15. Initial roots are positive, final roots are negative. One will be -9, another one -600. Second one, what is the product value? 30. Sum value 11. One will be -6, another one -500. What is the answer? X less than or equal to y. Next question number 57. Both the cases coefficient of x square is different, coefficient of y square are different. What is the LCM of 4, 3? 12. Means x roots multiplied by 3 times, y roots multiplied by 4 times. What is the first one product? 60. Sum value 23. Then we return -20, -300. Final roots we return +20, +300. Second one 3 into 25, 75. Product 75 but sum is 20. One will be +15, another one are +500. 320 is how much? 60. 3 3s are 9. 4 into 15, 60. 4 5s are 20 or not? Then answer, no relation. 60 compared to 20 greater, but 9 compared to 20 less than. Then answer, no relation or not? Next 58. Both the equations coefficient of x square and coefficient of y square are different. What is the first one? 3. Second one 2. LCM 6. Then x roots multiplied by 2 times, y roots multiplied by 3 times. 3 into 21. 63 means 9 and 7. One is plus 9, another one plus 7. Second one 2 into 20. 40 means 8 into 5 plus 8 plus 5 or plus 8 plus 5. 2 9s are how much? 18. 2 7s are 14. 3 8s are 24. 3 5s are 15. 18 compared to 15. 18 compared to 15 greater. 14 compared to 15 less. Then answer, no relation or not? Next, both the equations coefficient. Next question. Both the equation coefficient of x square and y square are different. What is the LCM? 21. Then x roots multiplied by 3 times, y roots multiplied by 7 times or not? 7 8s are 56 means 14 into 4. One is minus 14, another one minus 4 or not? Second one 3 into 33, 99. 11 and 9 minus 11 minus 9 or not? And 3 into 14 how much? Minus 42 minus 12. Second one 7 into 11 minus 77 minus 63. Answer, x is greater than y. Both the next question number 60. Both the equation coefficient of x square and y square are same. What is the first one product? 98. Sum will be 21. One is plus 14, another one are plus 7. Second one product value 42. Sum is 13. One is plus 7, another one plus 6 or not? 14 compared to 7 comma 6 greater. 7 compared to 7 equal. Then answer, x is greater than or equal to y. Approximations. First one 241 divided by 6. How much? 40. Square root of 145 means it is considered 12 or not? 40 into 12, 480 minus 400 or not? What is the answer? 80. Next is 62. First 30% of which one? 893. 893 almost we are considered 900 or not? 900. Percentage 2 zeros are cancelled. 39 the how much? 270. What is the 332 and 270 difference? 62. 4 almost how many times? Almost 16 times or not? What is the answer? 16 or not? $893. Just we are consider how much? 900. Zeros are cancelled. 39 the how much? 270. What is the remaining? 62. 4 almost how many times? 16 times or not? 63. 543 divided by 16. 16 3 the how much? 48. What is the remaining? 63. 63 means almost 4 times or not? And 29.97 it is considered 30 or not? Okay. And left hand side it is 34 into 30. Right hand side it is 30 into 30 or not? What is the difference? 4 into 30 or not? What is the answer? 120 or not? Next. 620 is divided by 9. 9 almost 70 times or not? 70 times. 70 minus 15. 55. Something equal to 55 by which one? 18 or not? Almost 3 times or not? Question number 65. 15.85. It is written as 16 square or not? 16 into 16 by something into something or not? That is equal to, what is the 6 square? 36. What is the 3 square? 9. 36 by 9. 4. 4 almost 4 times or not? 16 for the 64. Which one square? 8 square. Next question number 66. Data regarding the number of passengers traveling by 4 different non-stop trains in January 2022 and June 2022. In Kranti train, total number of passengers traveling January 2022 is 50. In the children out of the total number of passengers in the respective trains in percentage 14% are held. Out of 50, 14% are which one? Children are held. Okay. And note are given. Figures with the regards the total number of passengers traveling are given in 1000. Means it is 50 or 50,000. 50,000 means every value is multiplied by 1000. Or the first question. The number of children traveling by Tapi in June 2022 or what person more than the number of children traveling by Tapi in January 2022? First, out of 68, how much percent? 20% are heard. June 2022. Out of 68, 20%. 68 means we are considered 68,000. 20% means 13,600 are heard. Or directly we are taken 13.6. 13.6. And one more. In January, out of 60, how much percent? 16%. What is the 16% of 60? 9.6. How much value or more? 4 more. 4 upon which one? 9.6 into 100. 4 almost how many times? 1 time. 4 how many times? 24. What is the ratio? 136, 96. 4 how many times? 3 times. 4 times. 4 how many times? 24. That is 17:12. How many parts are more? 5 parts. 5 upon 12 into 100. What is the 1 by 12 value? 8 1 by 3. 5 by 12 means 41. 2 by 3. Question number 67. What is the average of total number of passengers traveling January 2022 in all the given trains are? Total number of passengers, nothing but all these values are adding or subtracting. Adding 50 plus 60 plus 20, 130 plus 68, 198. But average means divide by 400 and here multiplied by which one? 1000. Okay. What is the half of the 198? 99. Half of the 99. 49.5. Then answer 49.5 into which one? 1000. Which option? Third option. Next 68. What is the difference between the total number of children traveling by Sampark and Gati together in June 2022 and total number of children traveling in the same trains together in January 2022? Sampark and Gati together in June 2022. What is the Sampark and Gati together? Only children are heard. First, what is the Sampark value? Out of 70, how much percent are there? 30%. What is the value? 21. In Gati, out of 26, 25% are heard. What is the 25% value? 6.5. Total it is 27.5 are heard. Next, January, both same trains or different trains? Same trains. Out of 68, how much percent? 25%. What is the 25% of 68? 17. Out of 20, how much percent? 12%. What is the 12%? 2.4. Total it is 19.4. What is the difference? 8.1. But if required, it is multiplied by 1000. What is the answer? 8,100. Next question number 69. Number of passengers traveling by Gati in May 2022 was 10% more than the passengers traveling by same train in June 2022. How many children are traveled by Gati in May 2022 if they were 30% of the total passengers of Gati in the same month? First, Gati in June. What is the GATE value in June? 2600. Compared to that one, how much percent are more? 10% more. Out of 26 means out of 26, how much percent are more? 10% more. What is the 10% value? 2.6. Total it is 28.6. That is which month value? May month value. In that, how much percent are children? 30%. Out of this one, 30% are children. What is the 10%? 2.86. 10% 2.86. 30% 8.4 plus 0.18. Total it is 8.58. 8.58. What is the answer? First option. Out of 28.6, we required how much percent? 30%. What is the 10% of 28.6? 2.86. 3 times means it is 8.58. Next question number 70. What is the respective ratio in the number of children traveling in GATE in June 2022 and the number of children traveling Kranti in June 2022? We required only children. GATE in June 2022. Out of 26, 25%. 25% means 6.5. Next, Kranti in June 2022. Kranti in June 2022. Out of 75, how much percent? 20%. What is the 20% of 75? 15. What is the ratio? 6 and half double? 13. 15 double? 30. Ratio? 13:30. Next question number 71. Pie charts are given. The total number of garments, shirts and trousers sold by 8 stores in the year 2020. Total number are given 72,000. In that 72,000, shirts and trousers are given. Second diagram, total number of shirts sold by 8 stores in the year 2020. Total number are 42,000. Okay. And first diagram is related to combination of shirts and trousers. Second diagram is only shirts. If you require trousers, first diagram data minus second diagram data. If you required only shirts, only second diagram. What is the question here? Total number of garments. Total number of garments means first diagram or second diagram? First diagram. By stores G and H together is constitutes what percentage of the total number of trousers sold by all the given stores together? First we need to identify the shirts and trousers of G and H. What is the G first diagram data or second diagram data? First diagram. What is the first diagram? G percentage 14, H percentage 6, 14 plus 6 20. 20% of which one? 72,000 means that is 14,400. Okay, it is calculated on total number of trousers or not? Total number of trousers. What is the total? 72,000. In that shirts are 42 means trousers 30,000. 14,400 is what percent of 30,000? Total 72,000. In that 42,000 are which one? Shirts. Then remaining 30,000 are trousers. Numerator 2 zeros, denominator 2 zeros are cancelled. 3 almost 48. Next question number 72. Total number of trousers sold by ACF together is what percent less than the number of garments, shirts and trousers sold by stores D? And here trousers of ACF means 3 stores or only one? 3 stores. First we need to identify the 3 stores total garments are. First in first diagram A is how much percent? 12%, C 8%, F 5%. Total it is 25%. 25% of which one? 72,000 means it is 18,000. 18,000. That is total garments. In the total garments, shirts, A shirts is how much percent? 12, C 8 and F 7. Total 27. 27% of which one? 42,000 or the 25%. We require 27. First 25% means what is the 25% of 42,000? 21,000, 10,000, 500. Again, how much percent we need? 2%. 1% 420, 2% 840. Total it is 11,340. 18,000 is the total garments. In that 11,340 is the shirts. Subtracting, we are get the which one? Trousers. What is the difference? 660 and 600. 6,660. That is the total number of trousers of 3 stores or only one? 3 stores. And it is compared to which one? Garments, shirts and trousers sold by store D. What is the store D? 16%. Of which value? 72,000. 16% of 72,000. 16% of 72,000 means what is the 10%? 7,200. What is the 5%? 3,600. What is the 1%? 720. Total it is 11,520. 11,520. Value wise, how much value are lesser? 120 minus 60, 60. 14 minus 6, 8. 10 minus 6, 400. It is 4860. That is calculated on which one? 11,520 multiplied by 100. We are get the percentage 100. 0, 0 cancel. 486 by 1152 into 100. Almost how many times? 4 times. What is the nearest value of 4 times? 40 or 43 or 43, 41, 42. More than 4 times or less than 4 times? What is the 10%? 115.2. 40% means 460 something. Means it is more than 40%. Okay. If you are adding 2%, what is the already 40% value is how much? 460.8. If you are adding 2%, what is the 2% value? 23.04. 23.04. 460 plus 23 means it is 483. It is more than 483. Then answer must be more than 42 or less than 42. More than 42, but closer to 42. Which option? Fifth option. If you are taken again 1%, what is the 1% value? 11 something. But difference is how much here? Only 3. It must be more than 42 but less than 43. Next is 73. If the number of shirts sold by store B is increased by 15% from 2020 to 2021 and number of trousers sold by store B is decreased by 30% from 2020 to 2021. What was the number of garments, shirts and trousers sold by store B in 2021? First shirts means only second diagram or first diagram? Second diagram. What is the second diagram B value? 9%. What is the 9% of 42,000? 3,780. 3,780. In that first time how much percent are increased? 15%. Second time 30% decreased. 30% decreased. First 15% are adding means 15% are adding means we return 115%. Again 30% decreased means we return 70. Sorry. It is only shirts. Shirts are increased by 15%. What is the 10%? 378. 5%? 189. These three are adding, we are get the total number of shirts or trousers. Shirts. Again trousers. Trousers are decreased by how much percent? 30% from 20 to 2021. And first we need to identify the total garments. 18% of which one? 72,000. 18% of 72,000 means 18 into 7, again 18 to the 18 7 the how much? 126. 18 to the 36 means 1260 plus 72 into which one? 18 or 18 to the 36. 18 7 the 126 plus 3 means 1296 means it is 1296. What is the 20%? 14,400. What is the 2% value? 1440. End with 60. 13 minus 4, 9. And it will be 12,960. Out of 12,960, what is the shirts value? 3,780. Subtracting, we are get the which one? Trousers. 160 minus 80. 80. 8 minus 7. 1. Next 12 minus 3. 9. Trousers are 9180. But it is decreased by how much? 30%. What is the 10%? 918. 30% means 2754. Subtracting or adding? Subtracting. What is the difference? 1 6. 11 minus 7 4. 8 minus 2 6. 6 4 1 6. And already first one 0 plus 8 plus 9 17. 13 plus 18 55 plus 1 means 56 plus 78. 56 plus 78 130. What is the first one? End with 7. What is the second one? End with 6. End with 3. How many options are end with 3? Only one or none? What is the average difference between the total number of shirts sold by stores ADGH together and the total number of trousers sold by the same stores or different stores? Same stores. First ADGH total garments are required. A how much percent? 12. D 16. G 14. H 6. 12 plus 16 28. 28 plus 14 42 plus 6 48% around. 48% of which value? 72,000 around. 48% means it is 50% minus 2% around. What is the 50% value? 36,000. Out of 36,000 we are subtracting 2% around. What is the 2% value? 1440. That is 34,560 around. That is total garments. In that we are subtracting shirts. What are the A shirts? 12. What are the D shirts? 18. G shirts? 16. H shirts are 6. 12 plus 18 30 plus 16 46 plus 6 52. 52% of which one? 42,000 around. What is the 50% value? 21,000. What is the 2% value? 840. Total it is 21,840 around. And these two difference equal to which one? Trousers around. This one is shirts value, difference will be trousers. 60 minus 40 difference 20. 15 minus 8 7. 33 minus 21 12. Trousers are 12,720. What is the question here? Difference between shirts and trousers means we require 21,840 and 12,720 difference. What is the answer? 9120. Next 75. We required angular. What is the central angle corresponding to the number of garments, shirts and trousers sold by store? It must be 9 multiple. How many options? First option 9 multiple. No. Second option yes. Third option no. Fourth one no. Fifth one no. Then answer second one. What is the E percentage? 21. Converted to degrees. 21 by 100 into which one? 360. 0 are cancelled. 21 into 36 end with 6. It must be 9 multiple. Which option? only second one. Wrong number series సార్ మాట్లాడుతుంది.